At East Tennessee Children's Hospital, we know that time is precious, but some times are better than others. That's why we have 4 urgent care facilities with pediatric experts ready to get you back to better in no time.
Well, the good news is the rain has stayed far to our west and southwest so far. Going to watch this batch of rain over into West Tennessee to see how that traverses to the east-southeast. So there's still a chance for some light showers, mainly south of Interstate 40 throughout the day today. But the general idea is we're going to stay mostly dry, overcast because these mid to high level clouds coming in from the system. But you can see that rain off into West Tennessee. That's probably going to be the rain that's going to slowly work our way as we progress through the afternoon and evening hours. Our futurecast is picking up on that activity as well. So overcast gray skies. Here comes that rain that's in West Tennessee. That's 3 o'clock here this afternoon, heading all the way into the 7 o'clock hour. And it just kind of fizzles out. But it could produce a little bit of light rain. And the general idea, the general rule of thumb is going to be south of Interstate 40. This model forecast, this is the latest update anyways, really not painting much of a picture when it comes to rainfall throughout the day today. So we'll take it because there is a lot more rain on the way. Rain chances are going to ramp up here. And it's not going to be an all-day washout, but we are still talking about some decent rain. Here's what it looks like in the big picture. 7 o'clock tonight through tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, we're likely to stay on the dry side, and the rain showers increase late in the day on Sunday. So we'll see increasing rain chances Sunday. Monday, we're likely to start off dry and then increasing rain chances throughout the day on Monday. And then heavier rain showers are expected to arrive as we get into our Tuesday and Wednesday, at which point the rain's going to pile up. Now, we do have a severe weather risk with all this, mainly to our south and southwest. Chattanooga is included in that Sunday into Monday, and then shifts its way further south as we get into Monday, Tuesday timeframe. So again, not really looking at a huge threat for any major severe event, but we are looking at the rain to fire up, and that's all the way through Monday, 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches of rain. Then let's go all the way through, say, Wednesday, 1.5 inches to 2.5 inches of rain, and then we'll go all the way to Friday, and we're talking about 2 to 3, maybe pockets of 4 inches of rainfall possible. So it is going to be a rather soggy week ahead of us here in East Tennessee. That's the picture all the way through next Friday. Now, this is going to be day after day after day. It's not going to be an all-day, one-day event type of thing. So flooding and flash flooding concerns are kind of mitigated a little bit, but definitely bears watching here. So we'll stay in the low 70s today and tomorrow, mid-70s Monday, Tuesday. Back to the seasonal averages as we get into, say, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but we're also going to be hanging on to those rain chances as well. So use the interactive radar, download the East Tennessee weather app, scan the QR code in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. The interactive radar gives you past, current, and future radar of 2 hours. All right, we sure hope you have a great day. We'll leave you with a view at the lunch hour anyways from Foxwood Marina. A lot of folks wanting to get out on the lake, but unfortunately, it's not the sunniest of weekends. At least it's not the rainiest so far.